Helen was suddenly informed by her husband that he is inviting his bosses over for dinner to impress them and that she needs to cook. She decides that she is going to cook her famous chicken noodle soup recipe. She opens the Bigfood app and selects a profile. She enters the shop function and then starts searching for the ingredients she wants. She immediately adds items needed for the recipe to her grocery list. After Helen has made her grocery list, she goes to the grocery shop, but finds to her horror that the most important ingredient she uses to season the soup, broccoli, is out of stock. The customer before her just took the last tag. She doesn't know what to do, as she has always used broccoli in her recipe and did not know any other ingredients that can replace it. She then goes to the My List page, taps and holds on broccoli, and selects out of stock. The app will then provide a pop-up of similar food items that can be used in the same way as the missing ingredient, broccoli. The list of similar items suggests cauliflower, kale, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts, or Swiss chard. To her relief, she sees that there is cauliflower in a grocery store. She adds cauliflower to her shopping list by clicking on the recommendation. She buys all the ingredients and heads home to start cooking dinner.